Welcome to our guide on low-cost options trading stocks. If you're looking to leverage your investment strategies without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Options trading can seem complex, but with the right knowledge, it becomes a powerful tool in your investment arsenal. Today, we'll explore low-cost options trading, understanding its benefits, strategies, and how to get started. Low-cost options are appealing because they require less upfront capital compared to buying stocks outright. This makes them accessible for smaller investors and allows for more diversified investment strategies. However, it's important to remember that while the costs are lower, the risks can still be high. So, always trade within your risk tolerance. Now let's talk strategies. Here are a few common low-cost options trading strategies. Covered calls. This involves owning the underlying stock and selling call options against it. It's a way to generate additional income on your stock holdings. Cash-secured puts. Selling put options while holding enough cash to purchase the stock if assigned. This strategy allows you to potentially buy stocks at a lower price. Vertical spreads. Buying and selling options at different strike prices, but within the same expiration date. This limits both potential gains and losses, making it a controlled risk strategy. Here are some detailed steps and examples to help you find low-cost options trading stocks. 1. Use stock screeners. Stock screeners are powerful tools that allow you to filter stocks based on various criteria, including price, volume, and volatility. Some popular stock screeners include Barchart, ideal for identifying active options and unusual trading activity, FinViz, a free stock screener for finding options trading opportunities, and Robinhood, a low-cost platform listing the top 20 stocks to watch. 2. Look for high liquidity. High liquidity ensures that you can enter and exit trades easily. Stocks with high trading volumes are typically more liquid and offer better opportunities for options trading. 3. Consider volatility. Moderate volatility provides opportunities for price movements without excessive risk. Look for stocks that have a good balance of volatility and stability. 4. Research undervalued stocks. Undervalued stocks can be great candidates for options trading. These stocks are often priced lower than their intrinsic value, providing potential for growth. Examples of low-cost stocks. Here are some examples of low-cost stocks that are good for options trading. Banco Santander, ticker symbol SAN. It's a Spanish multinational financial services company with a current price around $5.10. Mizuho Financial, ticker symbol MFG, is one of the largest financial services companies in Japan, priced around $5.43. Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID, is a luxury electric vehicle manufacturer often seen as a competitor to Tesla. AMC Theaters, ticker symbol AMC, is the largest movie theater chain globally, known for its meme stock status. And lastly, SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUND, leverages AI for audio and speech recognition. Utilize educational resources. Many online brokers offer educational materials, paper trading accounts to practice, and real-time data to make informed decisions. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your knowledge and skills. Also, consult financial advisors. If you're new to options trading, consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a trading strategy that aligns with your financial goals. While low-cost options trading can be rewarding, it's not without risks. It's important to be aware of potential downsides, including time decay, market volatility, and the possibility of losing your entire investment. Always conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before diving into options trading. And that's our guide to low-cost options trading stocks. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can make the most of this powerful investment tool. Happy trading!